This year so far has been killing me. I've got 2 assignments and an exam next week.
I know, man. I've got an essay due tomorrow. Fucked.
Man, it's mental. Did you hear that? That was weird.
Hear what? That is weird. Let me try my one.
Why was that so loud?
Quick, try yours again.
What the fuck's going on?
Houston, we've had a problem.
Toto, I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
Jesus Christ, Paul, what's happening to your voice?
You are tearing me apart, Lisa! And cut. I'm not sure about the delivery. Take it again from the top.
Oh man, this year's been killing me so far. I've got 2 exams and an assignment due next week. I didn't mean to say that.
I know, man. I've got an essay due tomorrow. I see dead people.
Cut! Those aren't the lines, people. Now let's take it again from the top.
Oh man, this year has been killing me so far. Wait! Why am I saying this again?
Cut!
And who keeps shouting at us?
Cut!
It's not the lines or the delivery. I just don't think the scene works in the film.
Yeah, I think I might have jumped the shark a bit with this one.
I think it's just best if we just leave it out.
No, please no!